FCAW, or flux-cored welding, is another semi-automatic process that's very similar to GMAW. You have a gas in some instances, but there's also self-shielded flux-core. Now, the main difference between flux-core and GMAW is that flux-core brings in some of the attributes of SMAW, which is shielded metal arc welding. There's a flux. In the wire, it's actually hollow and there's a flux inside the wire. So now you have a variety of elements coming together. You'll have a flux that can burn and create its own gas. You can add an exterior gas to help with the shielding. And this allows you to bring in alloys, additives, and do different types of arcs. Flux-cored welding is considered a much more diverse style of welding because you can do it in different positions, in different environments, with or without wind, outside or inside, with gas or without gas. Generally, most flux-cored welding is done with electrode negative. Now that is because you don't have as much metal in the wire and you don't need as much amperage to melt it.